Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a repair on a 2001 Honda Recon. So this is actually, or I just said it's a 2001, so it is 25 years old. So this thing has been just pretty remarkable the way it's lasted. I bought it from a friend of mine about 5 years ago, changed the fluids, and the kids have driven it for hundreds of hours, and it's been pretty much bulletproof. However, the shifter has become loose. It is it's not biting down on that spindle anymore. So I ordered a replacement part on Amazon. I mean, it's 12 bucks. It's a pretty simple fix, but I figured I'd show you a video of me changing it out, how I did it, and then one tool that I figured out was very useful in the process. So to start off with the old spindle, it's got a 10mm nut on it. So you want to remove that, which I've already got everything broke loose. So it's kind of tight on here and it's kind of hard to get off. So one tool that I would recommend for this process, this is actually a window wiper arm removal tool, or a battery terminal tool. It fits perfectly behind there, and you can tighten it on there. And it'll pull that shifter right off. And you don't have to fight with it and possibly damage anything else. So there's that removal tool. So with this shifter right here, I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see the splines inside are starting to get worn out, and that's why it just kept sliding. So come a little closer. Get out of this. The splines on this spindle still seem pretty good. Probably not great, but I think it's good enough. So I'm gonna clean that up with a wire brush real quick. That's good enough. So if you can see, so you got splines, and you got splines here, and then you've got this groove right here. So when you put your shifter on, that bolt is going to sit in between those two splines, and that locks it in from moving in and out. All right, so that's it. All right, so your new shifter, like I said, I got this one off Amazon. It was about 12 bucks, and it was delivered the next day. I think a pretty good placement is kind of this actual foot shifter part right here, basically level with this spindle, and I think that is going to be pretty much proper placement. All right, one thing that I am going to do, I'm going to put some Loctite on it, some Threadlocker. This is medium blue. That way, hopefully, it doesn't vibrate loose. You're going to know if your shifter is in the correct place, because if not, that bolt won't feed through. All right, so I got my 10mm socket. I'm gonna tighten this. I'm gonna get it good and snug, but not too much. All right, that's it. Like I said, it's a simple fix. I mean, you can literally do it in less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna put a link to the shifter that I use, as well as this tool. You know, that's it. Like I said, you guys can do it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.